Welcome back. Guys, making a million ain't gonna cut it. Being a millionaire, it's not enough, man. It's really not enough. Especially with all this bullshit inflation that's going on. Even like a multi-millionaire, like 3 or 4, 5 million, especially in a developed country, nah, it's not gonna cut it, man. You need like 20, 30, 40, 50 million if you want to be rich. You know, that's what you really need. I'd say at least aim for 100 million. Because the way all this bullshit inflation is going and that wealth gap between the poor and the rich, it's only getting more wider. So either you're really rich or you're really poor. It'll be like a two-tier society. So you pick which one you want. I know which one I want. So you need to build massive wealth. Learn how to build hundreds and millions of dollars of net wealth. That's where crypto comes in. Don't just aim for like 2-3 million. Nah, man, it's not gonna cut it, man. It really ain't. It ain't gonna do shit. I mean, yeah, you get basic financial freedom, yeah, sure, but you need more to it. You know what I mean? Because you make more, and you spend more. You know, people earn more than they spend more, so you need a buffer. You know, you can still do more, you can still live more, experience more, buy more, but you also want to be earning a lot more. You want to be earning hell of a lot more than what you're spending. You want that cash flow, that surplus. You want to live off maybe like 5 or 10% of your income, or better yet, 1% of your income. That's why it's very important to build wealth. And I think crypto is the best way. Don't need much money in crypto, just the right $1,000 is enough. I got all the videos teaching people how to build wealth in crypto, XRP, XLM, XDC, Elgrand. Buy that shit, man. Like, seriously. Even if you're broke, get a credit card or a personal loan and you can still buy that crypto. You know what I mean? It's a good solid bet. There's no guarantees, but that's the best way to get rich. Otherwise, you gotta do bullshit index fund investing for freaking 20 years and then contribute $200 a month for 20 years, and then you'll have a fucking measly 1.2 million for maybe 20 or 30 years of investing. What a fucking joke, man. That's ages, man, for so little. It's trash. It's absolutely fucking trash. The shit that they sell us, Yeah, it's popular strategy. It's great, like in the sense, yeah. I mean, I got some myself, but I can't rely on that, man. Like, I buy these ETFs to get a bit of exposure. You know what I mean? But the fucking trash, man. You're better off going with anyway. Covered call ETFs, much better for income. AI stocks, that's a very good play, man. That's what you're gonna want to get exposure to that. You're gonna want to get exposure to that AI stocks. Like WiseKey. Have a look at that. WKey, WKEY. That's the ticker symbol on the New York Stock Exchange. Or the Nasdaq, whatever. Seals SQ. Ticker symbol LAES. That's a very good one for AI. You want to play the AI investment theme, you're going to want to buy those stocks, man. Maybe have a look at Vivo Power. That took a 50% drop, man. 50% drop. It's like $1 now for one stock, one share. You're buying it cheap, man. The all-time high is $100. Why not get up to $100? Might go up to $20. You still get 20-30x your money, man. I'm telling you. Now's the time to be accumulating wealth. The market has been dumping. The crypto market has been dumping. all these stupid dumbass, moron, imbecile, quite frankly, dickhead retail traders. They're morons, man. They don't know anything. Yeah, they're good at trading, but they can't build long-term wealth. Their pea-sized brain is so narrow-minded. You know, they think today, tomorrow, today, tomorrow, today, tomorrow. These are very immature investors, you know, very immature traders, you know, very immature, very fucking stupid, truly. You know, they never learn, man. They never learn. They only think today, tomorrow, today, tomorrow. They don't think the bigger picture for the investments that they make, you know, or the trades. You know, they don't look at the fundamentals. They only look at the stock chart or the crypto chart, you know. In the trading view, that's all they do, man. These people, they're hopeless, man. You know, don't listen to them, you know. Like, I got nothing against trading. Even I do some trades sometimes. I got a trading bot, you know, making a little bit of money on the side. But I don't rely on my trading for my long-term wealth. It complements my core holdings. I'm a long-term investor. I am an educated, matured, experienced investor. That's what I do. That's what I am. I'm not one of those people, you know, today, tomorrow, make 20%, you know, dump it here, pump, dumps. I don't do all that shit. That's dumb. It's just dumb, you know. You know, fair enough, you want to make a bit of short-term money, but you're losing millions, man, over in the long run. You know, and you're doing more work. It's foolish, and it plays with your emotions. Like, these people, it just doesn't work. Like, you know, why not just make it simple for yourself, you know, and buy a good solid asset, whatever good quality cryptos like the ISO cryptos that I teach about. Watch the rest of my videos. I'll teach you everything you need to know. AI stocks, like some of the ones that I mentioned. You'll be multi-millionaire, man, at least. You know? At the very least, you'll be significantly wealthier. You know what I mean? Like, it's not that hard, you know, because you can use inflation to your advantage, because inflation gets priced into all these stocks. Oh, here's a good one. Silver. That's another one. You buy all these stuff, man. They're good. You don't have to put all your money in crypto. I don't do that. Yeah, I got a decent amount of crypto, yeah. I'm pretty heavy in that sense. But I don't put all my money in crypto, you know. You gotta have some precious metals, because if there's a reset or like a crash, you know. And gold and silver, man, they've been climbing up, man. People are fearful as hell. And the industrial use case for gold and silver is going through the roof, man. The industrial demand for it's silver and gold, man, they're gonna skyrocket. They're saying gold can go up to 20,000 an ounce. I believe it. Might take a little bit of time, but it'll get there. They say silver can go to like 4 digits. I say $500, you know. Nobody truly knows, but I firmly believe that it will go up substantially. You don't have to agree with me, but I'm just telling you, you know, follow the smart money. Look, here's a very good piece of investing advice. There's a thing called smart money, and then there's dumb money, like those dickhead retail traders, you know, doing pump and dumps and doing short-term trading, you know, trying to make a quick buck. That's called dumb money. Then there's what I do and what the institutions do. That's called smart money. Institutions, banks, sovereign wealth funds, all these pension funds, man, what they investing in. Follow where the money is going. It's not hard. I don't understand why it's so difficult for some of y'all. You know, some of y'all are just stupid, man. Like flat out stupid. You know, no offense, but oh man, like the way y'all think is just so not. I'm not talking about my viewers or anything like that, but I'm speaking the general crypto investors, you know, and all the sentiment that's been going on. You know, they see the prices dumping, you know, and then not they're selling. Very stupid, at a loss. It's foolish, man. And then 2 months ago, 3 months ago, they're like, oh, Bitcoin going to the roof. Oh, this is going to the roof. XRP is going to the roof. This is gonna moon. That's gonna moon. And freaking now it's dumped. The crypto market dumped, and then they panic selling. They got no conviction. They got no balls to stick it out. They got a lot of intellect, but their intellect fucks them up. It's too much unnecessary thinking. You know, they don't have the conviction. They don't have the mental fortitude to handle the storm. See, you gotta understand, they don't want you to be rich. These evil globalist elitists, they don't want you to be rich. They want you to stay poor. You see, that's why they're dumping the market. Then all these idiots are selling and selling and selling. You know, my advice, man, like just buy and hold, like freaking hell, man. It's not hard, man. It really isn't hard. Like if you can't do that, yes, it's boring. I understand. I'm very freaking bored. Crypto bores the shit out of me, honestly. It really does. I've been in this industry for almost 6 years. It's extremely boring. But it will pay off, you know, and, you know, we'll all make some money, you know, at least the ones that stuck around will make generational wealth. So you can pick which one you want, you know. You can either be poor or you can be rich, you know. Want to be wealthy? It's up to you, you know. Now's the time. There's gonna be a lot going on in 2026. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video there. For the brave souls that have stuck around to the end, thank you very much. I truly hope that you learned something. I got a course coming out. I got plenty of videos on my YouTube channel. Please check it out. It's all free. I don't charge anything for that. You know, it can change your life. So keep an open mind. And that will be it. Bye.